Most people want to invest, but they start the wrong way. And because of that, they lose money before they even understand what they're doing. In this video, I'll show you 3 investing mistakes beginners make and how you can easily avoid them. Mistake number 1, investing without understanding risk. Many beginners believe investing is a way to get rich quickly, but the reality is very different. Every investment carries some level of risk. And if you ignore that risk, you can lose money fast. That is why understanding risk is essential. Smart investors always study before investing. They learn how markets actually work. Now let's talk about the second mistake. Following the crowd. Many people invest because someone online told them to. But copying others can be extremely dangerous. They may have a completely different strategy or a different amount of money. And what works for them may not work for you. Successful investors make their own decisions. They analyze, research, and think long-term. Now let's move to mistake number 3. Trying to get rich quickly. Many beginners believe investing is a shortcut to fast money. But real investing takes time. Some of the greatest investors built wealth slowly. They focused on consistency, investing regularly, and letting compound growth do the work. Patience is one of the most powerful tools in investing. But most beginners ignore it. And that's why they struggle. So let's recap the 3 mistakes. Number 1, ignoring risk. Number 2, following the crowd. Number 3, chasing quick money. If you avoid these mistakes, you're already ahead of most beginners. And that gives you a powerful advantage, because investing is not about luck. It's about discipline and knowledge. And the sooner you understand that, the sooner you start building real wealth. Because investing, it's about making smart decisions consistently and letting time work for you. If you stay patient, your money can grow. If you want to learn more about investing, this channel will help you. So like and subscribe if you want to grow your money.